Hey y'all! So today I have another review. This is going to be on the Spiral Solutions Curl Enhancing Jelly. And this product was provided to me by Naturally Curly. This review is completely my own opinion, and I was not paid for this review. This is available on Curlmart. This is the 16 ounce. It's like $24, and I think the 8 ounce is like $14. And is also available on the Spiral Solutions website. So let's get right to the review. This is supposed to be a light jelly, not quite a gel. It's supposed to enhance curls and waves, discourage frizz, has a light hold, and it says it can be used on wet or dry hair with no stickiness or tack. Completely water soluble, rinses clean, doesn't cause buildup, excellent base seller to other selling products. So I've been playing around with this for the past couple of weeks. I kind of wasn't sure how to use it when I pumped it out and I saw the consistency of it. If you look at it, it comes out like that. It's like a very snotty type product. It's like very light though. If you could see like the close up of my hand, you'd be able to see like the water that kind of surrounds the product, the wetness of the product. And as you can see, it goes on really smooth. It has a lot of slip. It's very, I actually like that a lot because it's not one of those gels that are like super tacky. So there it is, going on my little piece of hair. But the best way I used it was, that looks so weird. Was as a finisher, similar to how I use Curls in a Bottle. And I also think this is very similar to Aubrey Organics Mandarin Magic. Since it's very light, when I used it by itself, I used it by itself on top of my Curl Junkie Smoothing Lotion today. But this is the only styler I used. I didn't even use like another finisher. And I really like how my hair looks, but if you're looking for something that is going to define your curls or make them clump a lot, I don't think this is really the product to do that. This is a very natural look type of product. You know, like sometimes you use Eco Style and your hair is like too defined. This one, it's a very natural look, but it does decrease frizz, I will say, which is what I like, and frizz is like my number one enemy. So I like that a lot about it, but I do feel like using it alone, I use a lot of it just because it's so thin, and I was like only putting like 1 to 2 pumps on each section, but to me it was still too much. But luckily this hold is very soft. I'm going to stop touching my hair now, but back to the review. Yeah, I mean, it was nice going on my hair and it didn't do anything bad. I didn't have any adverse effects, but if you need like a little more definition or you usually like a heavier styling product, this probably isn't the one for you. They also have a firm hold gel. I haven't tried that one, but I've heard some good things about it. So definitely I like it as a finisher because like I would use it on top of Eco Styler, which is very tacky. So I would put this on top and then it would kind of smooth it out a little bit, make my hair a little bit easier to run my fingers through real quick for a final rake before I shook it out, and I really like that. And it does, like I said, get rid of frizz. I also use it as a refresher, and that was really nice with my Eco Styler. Like I said, it is like a wet type product, so when you put that on dry hair, that's kind of good for when you want to shake your hair out. And then it also doesn't have any glycerin, so you don't have to be scared about checking the dew point day to day when you're using it. And I love that because I know my hair acts really funny sometimes when I use glycerin in the wrong climate. So that was really helpful. And it also I thought this was very interesting. It doesn't have any oils, when a lot of gels at least have, you know, like 1 or 2 oils in there, but this one doesn't have any. So if you don't like oils, that's a plus. Yeah, but I'm not really gonna go like ramble on. It's just, it was very light. It's still moisturizing. My hair is not dry at all. as you can tell, I keep touching my hair because it feels good. And any little bit of hold in this, like I can feel some places, especially at the ends of my hair where there's a little bit of hold. And if you did not want that hold and you wanted to fluff it out, you can easily scrunch it out. Easily. It would be gone. So yeah, it's definitely thumbs up for me. Like I said, I like it best as a finisher. You can just mix it with other things, and that's definitely how I'm going to continue to use it, just because I don't want to waste it as my sole styler when I just have other things to use. Would I add it to my holy grail list? Not exactly sure right now. Like I said, in the deep conditioner review, it's kind of hard to get on my list now. So I'll see when it runs out. I do like it better than some of my other finishers that I have because it does not have glycerin. So usually my holy grails are very versatile products. So I really like that about this one. But yeah. So that's pretty much all I have to say. So I will talk to you guys later, and everyone have a great day.